LG G4 Screen Replacement Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, multi-purpose heat gun, LG G4 adhesive strips, professional Phillips screwdriver, power down your LG G4 smartphone, use the plastic triangle opening tool or your fingernails to work around the rear cover and release the plastic clips securing it in place. Easily remove the LG G4's 3.85 volt, 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Remove the following 11 Phillips screws securing the mid-frame in place. Use the triangle opening tool to assist in removing the LG G4 midframe. Use the nylon spudger to detach the display assembly cable, and then carefully pry the front-facing and rear-facing cameras away from the LG G4 front frame. With the cable detached and the cameras free, gently pry up the motherboard and remove it from the LG G4. Utilizing the fine-tip curved tweezers, remove the earpiece speaker. Use the nylon spudger to carefully remove the headphone jack from the chassis. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive, securing the LG G4 display assembly to the frame. With the precision knife, create separation and insert a plastic triangle opening tool to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the ribbon cable when removing the display assembly from the frame. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.